Hello everyone, I am Chase at Rocky Mountain ATV giving you a closer look at the auxiliary light mount from JNS Engineering. Alright, so today we're taking a closer look at this auxiliary light mount coming from JNS Engineering. So if you have an adventure or dual sport bike, you're looking for a quick, easy way to get some auxiliary lights mounted up, well, this could be your solution. In fact, we have a rider here at Rocky Mountain. He has a Honda 650 or XR650L. Okay, he did an awesome bike build to turn that into a true adventure machine. And this was the bracket that he used to get some auxiliary lights mounted up. So he went with the Trail Tech lights on his. Now you don't have to use those. You can use really any auxiliary light that you want to. Just one thing to keep in mind, depending on the lights that you're going to be using to mount on these, you can see that all the brackets are going to come with holes that are pre-drilled. However, for certain lights, you may need to drill these out a little bit bigger. That's what our rider had to do with those Trail Tech lights. So just one thing to keep in mind. But when it comes to construction, okay, very durable. In fact, these are guaranteed not to break. So they're CNC formed and they're laser cut from 5052 aluminum. And as you can see, they have a nice black powder coated finish to them. Now mounting, this is one feature I really like. Like I said earlier, quick and easy. You can see that they all have holes that are pre-drilled. So no other modification, no drilling is going to be needed. You're just going to take your front fender off, line up these holes with your front fender holes that you have, and then you're just going to mount everything up to your triple clamp, and that's how it's going to be mounted up, and you're going to be good to go. So very simple to do. Last thing I will point out is you will notice that for some bikes, okay, you're going to have two options. You can get a dual light mount, and then for others, you're going to have the option to go with a single bracket. So kind of just rider preference depending on how many lights you want to get mounted up. But that's it. That is the auxiliary light mount coming from JNS Engineering. If you guys have any questions, you can leave those below, or you can ask your questions on the product page, get answers from customers who have bought and are using these mounts. And to pick yours up, you can click on the link or head over to RockyMountainATVMC.com. Just remember, they are machine specific, so when you're picking yours up, enter the make, the model, and the year of your bike, and you're going to be good to go. Orders over $75, ship free. If you guys like this little product spotlight, you want to see more like this, along with our gear guides, our how-to videos, our dual sport adventure rides that we document and we share with you, well, make sure you click and subscribe. I'm Chase at Rocky Mountain, and we'll see you on the trails.